Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to confirm your Facebook identity quick and easy. So if your account is locked, restricted, or Facebook is asking for the verification, these steps will help you submit your ID and get the access back. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first step, you need to log in into your Facebook account and follow the verification prompts. So you need to go to your Facebook account and try to log in. If Facebook needs verification, you will see a message that would say we need to confirm your identity. So you just have to select that option and click on the option of continue. So this is going to open the official identity confirmation page. There you need to give a few options depending on your account type. Like you need to upload a government ID, confirm your phone number, recognize your recent comments or the posts, enter a login code that is sent to you on your email address or your phone number. After that, you need to pick any of these that are available to you. Now, if you upload an ID, you need to use a clear photo of the government issued ID that you have selected. It should not be blurry and all of the text should be visible. There should not be any glare or flash. Facebook needs a readable image to confirm your identity. After uploading, simply click on the option of submit. Facebook usually reviews your ID within 24 to 72 hours. Sometimes it may also take longer depending on the case. So don't submit multiple times. One clear submission is enough. Now Facebook will send you an email once your identity is verified. After the successful approval, you will be able to log in into your account again. Your account access should be restored. If not, you can try clearing the cookies or login into a different device, and that's how you will be able to confirm your Facebook identity. Basically, it is going to be prompted to you, and then you just have to upload a clear ID. After that, simply submit your application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.